Hey everybody, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Actelis Networks Inc., ticker symbol ASNS, a microfloat stock and new leadership play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. If you want access to our private Discord so that you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. Today we called out EVLO, which ran up 103%. And last week we called out PRFX pre-market, and it ran up 185% after running up 551% earlier that week. We also called out EDTX, and it ran up 446%. We're just made different. Just made different. The early bird gets the cash. By the way, we have also included a link to our membership website program, which includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not. But we share with you how we trade and what has been working for us. So let's get right into it with Actelis Networks Inc., ticker symbol ASNS, which is located in Fremont, California. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ hardware, equipment, and technology company. Hardware and equipment technology company with a $5.89 million market cap and 44 employees. Actelis Networks Inc. is a company that creates and sells technology solutions for companies involved in the Internet of Things and telecommunications. They make devices and software that help connect and manage networks in different parts of the world, like North America, Latin America, Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and the Asia Pacific. They offer devices that allow computers and devices to connect to the internet, switches that help gather and manage data, and devices that boost and extend internet signals. They also have software that helps control and monitor these devices. Actelis offers cyber-hardened rapid deployment networking solutions for wide area LOT applications, including federal, state, and local government, ITS, military, utility, rail, telecom, and campus applications. Actelis Networks also provides various services such as helping companies with troubleshooting, providing support from a distance, offering training, fixing products, and updating software. ASNS was established in 1998. Now let's take a look at ASNS's most recent news. Actelis Networks Inc. today announced the appointment of Brett Harrison as the new Senior Vice President of Sales and Services for the Americas to lead the company's business development and channel partner expansion efforts. It's been said that Mr. Harrison brings on board with him a high level of cybersecurity sales leadership to help Actelis navigate and take advantage of its LOT market penetration and its cybersecurity initiatives, particularly its cyber-aware networking strategy. Now, Actelis Networks also has a very low float of only 448,000 shares. This makes it a micro float stock. Now, the price on ASNS stock was pushed upward 5.8% at close today. And the low float of this stock could keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or news catalyst comes in. On the recording of this video, which is July 20th, 2023, the stock is now trading at $3.10. Undoubtedly, the fact that this is a micro float stock and this company's recent news about its new leadership can move the price action upward for ASNS. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord so that you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Actelis Networks Inc., ASNS, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the hardware and equipment and technology sector. ASNS is a company that we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Will ASNS run parabolic? It will need a lot more volume. But who knows for sure? We're still in a bearish market. Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will have ASNS on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I will see all of you on the flip side.